As the global security landscape shifts dramatically, the United States faces an urgent need to adapt its strategic defenses to meet the demands of a new era. With rival powers like Russia and China rapidly modernizing their nuclear arsenals and deploying advanced technologies, the delicate balance of deterrence is under increasing strain. The United States is among the few nations to have publicly disclosed details about the size of its nuclear arsenal, though such information is released sporadically and often depends on the policies of the current administration. In 2024, the US government responded to a declassification request from the Federation of American Scientists, revealing the status of its nuclear stockpile as of September 2023. According to the data, the stockpile consisted of 3,748 warheads at that time. Additionally, the report included figures on the number of warheads dismantled annually. While the numbers may be decreasing, the sophistication and capabilities are advancing at an unprecedented pace. The United States has launched an extensive initiative to modernize its nuclear arsenal over the next 30 years, an effort that has encountered numerous political, financial, and logistical hurdles. Alongside the ongoing upgrades to existing warheads, attention is now turning to the development of next-generation warhead designs that will shape the future of US nuclear strategy. In 2024, the Nuclear Weapons Council authorized 2 key studies, one focused on non-ballistic re-entry vehicles and the other on weapons designed to target deeply buried, hardened structures, marking the beginning of a forward-looking approach to the nation's nuclear capabilities. Since 1994, every US presidential administration has undertaken a comprehensive review of the nation's nuclear strategy, outlining its approach to nuclear policy and overarching objectives. The most recent nuclear posture reviews, published in 2010, 2018, and 2022, have maintained a consistent framework despite evolving global challenges. The current Strategic Nuclear War Plan, known as OPLAN 801012, encompasses a set of interconnected strategies designed to address threats from 4 key adversaries: Russia, China, North Korea, and Iran. To define and validate nuclear strike plans, the US military conducts regular exercises centered on nuclear readiness and operational efficiency. American strategic nuclear delivery systems are organized into a triad, consisting of 3 distinct methods for delivering nuclear weapons to adversary targets. This triad includes long-range bombers, land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles, and submarine-launched ballistic missiles. By diversifying the modes of delivery, the triad ensures the core principle of deterrence, guaranteeing that the US retains a reliable second strike capability even in the event of an initial attack. Russia's invasions of Ukraine in 2014 and 2022 have significantly shaped US nuclear strategy, prompting changes in operational planning and bomber missions. Following the annexation of Crimea, US Strategic Command quickly expanded the role of nuclear-capable bombers to support US-European Command's objectives. By 2016, a new Standing War Plan was implemented, the first of its kind since the Cold War, emphasizing a more robust strategic posture. Previously known as Bomber Assurance and Deterrence missions, these operations were rebranded as Bomber Task Force missions after 2018. The updated approach prioritizes enhanced offensive capabilities and greater operational flexibility at forward deployed bases, ensuring these missions remain a powerful deterrent and a credible response option in evolving security environments. The United States Air Force operates a fleet of nuclear-capable aircraft designed to ensure strategic deterrence and provide flexible response options. Central to this mission are the B-52 Stratofortress and B-2 Spirit bombers. Looking to the future, the USAF is developing the B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber that will further enhance the nuclear mission with advanced technology and greater survivability. Together, these aircraft provide a critical airborne leg of the US nuclear triad, offering a credible and flexible deterrent against global threats. The US Air Force also maintains a fleet of 400 silo-based Minuteman III intercontinental ballistic missiles, with an additional 50 slots kept in reserve as warm sites, ready to house stored missiles if necessary, bringing the total silo infrastructure to 450. Originally deployed in 1970, the Minuteman III has undergone multiple upgrades over its lifespan, including a comprehensive modernization program completed in 2015. This multi-billion-dollar, decade-long effort extended the missile's operational life to 2030. Looking ahead, the Air Force plans to replace the aging Minuteman III with the new Sentinel missile system. Designed to be more adaptable and capable than its predecessor, the Sentinel will feature the ability to undergo upgrades throughout its service life. The Sentinel will also offer enhanced payload capabilities, including the capacity to carry multiple warheads, potentially up to 2 per missile, significantly boosting its strategic flexibility and deterrence potential. The US Navy's nuclear capabilities form a vital component of the nation's strategic deterrent, primarily through its fleet of Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines, which make up the sea-based leg of the nuclear triad. The Navy operates 14 Ohio-class SSBNs, each capable of carrying up to 20 Trident II D5 submarine-launched ballistic missiles, with intercontinental ranges exceeding 12,000 kilometers. These missiles are equipped with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, carrying W-76 or W-88 nuclear warheads to ensure flexibility in targeting and deterrence. Designed for stealth and survivability, these submarines use advanced quieting technologies to evade detection, guaranteeing a secure second strike capability. Looking ahead, the Columbia-class submarines, set to replace the Ohio-class in the late 2020s, will feature enhanced stealth and modernized systems to sustain the Navy's critical role in the nuclear triad. Operating under the U.S. Strategic Command, the Navy's SSBN fleet is integrated into a robust command and control network, enabling real-time communication and flexibility in response. By leveraging its stealthy, survivable submarines, the U.S. Navy ensures a powerful and reliable deterrent, reinforcing national security and maintaining global strategic stability. This concludes our exploration of the latest advancements in U.S. military nuclear doctrine and technology. What are your thoughts on these developments? Could we be on the brink of another nuclear standoff? Or do these upgrades represent a step toward maintaining global stability? Share your perspective in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest content. And while you're here, why not check out another one of our exciting videos? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.